What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one yesterday was about the Ohanaeze Lagos branch end of the year party, and yeah, we all know that lots of dignitaries would be invited. The man of the year was invited. I'm talking of no other person but Okpato Zuora One Naoba, and the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in no other person but Sir Olusegun Obasanjo. He was also there. We had the other dignitaries like Osita Iheme and a whole lot of other dignitaries. I'll be bringing to you the highlights here on the channel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. We all know this is something to inspire. I should say it was more of like Ohanaeze Ndi politician, yes, because the eye of the people are mostly seeing there either former governors and already campaigning, trying to aspiring governors of the eastern part of Nigeria. Anyway, you saw the light highlights there. I just decided to share here because one Igbo Amaka, no matter how dividing the politician, religion and everything is trying to come between us, we still remain one of the strongest set of people in the whole of West Africa, not just in Nigeria but the entire West Africa. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. In the comment section, tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you really think it is necessary to be talking about Ohanaeze Lagos when there are so many things to be done in the eastern part of Nigeria. I hope to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.